Are you trying to decide between Splunk and Elastic Stack? You're not alone. Many people wonder which tool is better for their needs. In this video, we'll compare Splunk and Elastic Stack. Both tools help you analyze and visualize data. They are popular choices for monitoring and searching through large amounts of information. Let's start with Splunk. It's a powerful tool that collects and indexes data from various sources. Users love its user friendly interface. Splunk also offers great security features and real time monitoring. It's often used in large businesses to keep track of system health and security. Now, let's look at Elasticsearch. This tool is made up of several components, including Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. Elasticsearch is known for its flexibility and scalability. It's great for handling big data and can be customized to fit different needs. Many developers prefer it for its open source nature. So, what are the key differences? Splunk is a commercial product while Elasticsearch is open source. This means you might pay more for Splunk, but you get support and a polished experience. Elasticsearch, on the other hand, can be more cost effective if you're willing to do some setup work. When it comes to features, Splunk excels in security features and ease of use. Elasticsearch shines in customization and handling large datasets. Both have strong visualization tools, but Splunk's interface is often considered more intuitive. In terms of pricing, Splunk generally costs more. Elasticsearch can be free, but you might spend on hosting or support if needed. So, who should choose what? If you want a straightforward, powerful tool and don't mind the cost, go for Splunk. If you prefer flexibility and are comfortable with some technical setup, Elasticsearch might be the right choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.